In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube profile pic that you see right here, also known as your avatar, without changing your Google account information. I'm also going to show you how to do this on desktop on your phone, and this works both for Android and iOS. I recently changed the profile picture of this Meditate Daily with Andrea Jean YouTube channel, so this is what you are going to do. Make sure that you are in the correct YouTube channel that you want to change your profile pic for, and it's super easy on desktop. You can go ahead and just hover over and you can see right here it says Edit Profile Picture. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. There's also another way that you can do that by going to Customize Channel. So let me show you that back door as well. You can see here on the left-hand side, we are on the Customization tab. And if I pull you up a little bit farther, we have Layout, Branding, Basic Info. You're going to go ahead and click Branding. And here's where you can go ahead and change that profile pic right here. Here are the requirements by YouTube in order to update your profile picture. Now I'm going to share a couple tips and tricks with you that are going to make things super easy. So let's say I want to go ahead and change this. I would go ahead and click change. And let's say I wanted to put this picture in right here. What you'll find is a lot of the pictures, the file size is too large. Let me show you how to compress that. Now I got a little pop-up here on the bottom of my screen saying that the file size was too large. So here's what we want to do. We're going to go ahead to the top of our screen. We can see here that we are under the Preview tab for this particular photo. We want to go ahead and click File. And then we're going to go Export. And here's what you really want to pay attention to. Go ahead and name it whatever you want to. So I'm just going to call this Test. I'm going to save it to my desktop. You want it into a JPEG format. You can see right here. And then here's where you can change your file size. So remember, we need to keep it under 4, but we want to preserve the quality of the picture. So I will get it as close as I possibly can. There we go, 4.1. We're going to go ahead and then click Save. Now this is where you would go in and click the change button right here, and then I could go ahead and select my test and click open here on the bottom right hand side. I'm not going to go ahead and do that just because I don't want to change it at this point, but what's going to happen is you're going to click publish here on the top right hand side. It will be highlighted in blue, and then you can go ahead and view your brand new profile pic under view channel. Now let me talk about something that's going to be helpful for you, and then we're going to get into the phone. Go ahead and go to canva.com. By the way, I do recommend the pro version of Canva because there are so many great benefits for you. Now you can see here is my meditation avatar. Let's just go ahead and click in there. The file size for this is 288 pixels by 288 pixels, in case you're wondering on that file size. Also, it says right here you can have 98 by 98 pixels. So let me show you how to go ahead and change that. Here in Canva on the top right hand side, you're going to go ahead and create a design, and we said that it was 98 by 98 pixels. We're going to go ahead and create a custom size. Here we go, 98 by 98. Then create new design. And here you have the correct format, and you would go ahead and just save this, export it to wherever you want to if you want to create something fun on Canva rather than use a profile picture that you have on your computer. Here we are on the phone, and again, this works both for Android and iOS. Make sure that you are logged into the YouTube application. It looks like this right here, and you want to make sure that you are in the correct profile that you want to change. So we're here on the top right hand side. I'm going to go to your channel right here. Super easy on mobile phone as well. What you want to do is go ahead and click this little pencil icon right here. Here's where you can go ahead and change that profile pic. You can see right here there's a little camera in the middle. Click that, and then your photos are going to pop up. You can either take a photo or choose from your photos. So let's go ahead and let's just say I wanted to do this one right here, even though this would be totally inappropriate for a profile pic. Doesn't even make sense. But I would go ahead and then click save right here, but that's not what I want to do, and that's all you have to do in order to change that profile pic on your phone. I have an entire playlist linked in that description box below or here on YouTube about how to get started on YouTube. So go ahead and click the videos on screen next for additional YouTube tips and tricks. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.